Hello, welcome to our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure course designed for absolute beginners. Today, we'll embark on a journey into the world of cloud computing, focusing on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, commonly known as OCI. So, what is cloud computing? Let's start with the basic. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. These include servers, storage, database, networking software, and more. The beauty of cloud computing is its flexibility and scalability, allowing businesses to adapt quickly and efficiently. Now, as you can see in my console, I'm already logged into Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and in here you're gonna see these main components that I was telling you about. So they're part of the infrastructure. So we have the compute menu, we have the storage menu, we have the networking menu. And also, if we go down, you can go with Oracle databases, third-party databases, and other cloud services in there. Okay, in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI, we have a comprehensive cloud service platforms. As you can see, we have the core basics, that we're talking about, but you also can go and you can dive into analytics and AI. We can dive into machine learning services, advanced AI services, media services, and so on. Now, if you're seeing all of these questions, we're gonna answer one of other question. Why OCI? Why to choose OCI? OCI is known for its high performance, robust security features, and a cost-effective pricing models. OCI is the last big cloud provider that entered in the market, but with its services that were developed in a very short term, and with a lot of traction from big customers, enterprise customers, and also small customers, it is the choice of new users too. Now, why it's OCI unique? Some of the services that you're gonna heard about the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and they're very important. It is, let's say, from database perspective, we have autonomous databases, also Exadata that can run on cloud, like an Exadata on dedicated infrastructure, or an Exadata that can run in your data center but managed from the cloud. Also, additional services that are, let's say, also related to Oracle, and the way that you can do, let's say, the provisioning of the instances. If we go to a compute machine, you're gonna see that Oracle has a unique shape presentation. So if we're gonna go in Oracle and you're gonna try to create an instance, and if you're gonna look into the shape type that you see in there, the shapes that are available in Oracle, they're called flexible shapes. So a flexible shape will allow a user to choose exactly how much resources they want to use. So in here you can go with 1 OCPU, 2 OCPUs, 3 OCPUs, and so on. These are just some of the features that I'll present during this course. So in this course we'll cover almost everything related to the basics of OCI account, and I'm gonna try to go with this hands-on approach, so I will help you to gain practical experience during this course. Now stay tuned for our next session, where we'll dive into the navigation of OCI console. And thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to guiding you through your cloud journey with OCI.